is up here again. It's your girl on here, and I'm kind of sad because my brother is gone. He ain't coming back. Like, what? I thought you was gone. But where? I thought you were going outside. I thought you were going home. Nope. Let's get the mukbang on. Okay. Well, y'all, we got this right here. We got this right here. And you ready for this, bro? Let's get it. Oh no. We gotta make it up. Girl, let's get it, man.
So, what's that like with those Jigsaw? Not as
These were what, bro?
May I ask you what your bill is now? Yes, I can see what I can do to lower that number. I want to make you happy. Yes, I would be happy to crunch those numbers. Just a moment, I'm very sorry.
Yo, okay.
What?
I want to play a game.
Okay, well, I want to go home on time, so...
Your computer has been infected with a program.
Oh,
virus.
no!
In exactly 25 seconds, Jeff, the hot IT guy,
Oh, no!
desk to fix it. You must close all 517 pop-ups using the office's deadliest computer mouse. The clock is ticking, Janine. Make your choice.
Thank you guys very much. I wasn't expecting
The
anything.
frosting on Dan's birthday cake contains 29 tablespoons of koala urine. One for each year of his pathetic, meaningless life.
He's missing at the party, so.
What did he say?
You gonna eat it. He said, I got urine in it. Bro, look at that man, bro.
Hold the elevator, please, please.
Oh, the video, too. Oh, yeah. Alright, we're back on.
Hold the elevator.
Look at the shit in the back. Look at that neck. Giraffe neck.
Hold it. Just hold some more. Hold it.
Hurry up, man.
Hold it, please. Hold for one more. Don't be rude, guys. Don't be rude. Nearly there. Nearly there.
I would love it.
But the door's closed.
I know, right? But he'll probably keep it before you leave.
One sec. Just one sec. You're all very polite. I just need to hit there we go.
They all looking down at him. What in the world, bro?
You want me to get
Got
that?
it, Steve.
You got a little stick. And he hit them with it.
Look,
Hey,
this is not the fun part of the job. But
Dang,
we've been monitoring
bro.
office productivity, and as you can see from this research, when your games increase, general productivity throughout the office actually decreases.
It'd be different if your games had some sort of work-related theme, like team building or workplace synergy.
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Look,
sure.
all we're asking is that you just, tone it down a little, just till corporate gets off our back, okay?
I don't know.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's
Better get fired just off.
all of your legs have been chained together at the ankles. The keys to your shackles
See, that's the
have been...
kind of thing I'm talking
The
about.
keys, Jeff, to your shackles have been destroyed. Your only hope for escape is to saw off your own feet using the weapon under your chair.
You have to use that.
It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. But it's time for each of you to make a choice. Will you synergize and work together as a team, Karen, to free yourselves and spend the weekend at home with your families? Or be stuck inside the office for the third time this quarter?
What's it like working with Jigsaw?
I love family.
Not as cool as I thought it would be.
Well, alright, girl, gang. We finna pause the video on it, finna find another video, so we'll be